Welcome to this edition of Science News Update, where we are discussing breaking science news topics. For years, man has dreamed of venturing to the moon, planets, and one day to the stars. NASA is planning a returned manned mission to the moon, and this will be a stepping stone to reach Mars. Elon Musk's vision is to use SpaceX to reach Mars and to set up a colony there. He believes this is man's best hope to avoid being wiped out in the next global mass extinction event, that being either through a natural event or through nuclear war. Going to the moon has its challenges, and that is only a 3-day journey. But for man to eventually reach Mars, that presents many more bigger challenges. A journey to Mars by current conventional rocket technology will be a long trip through high galactic cosmic radiation. The exact length of time varies on time of launch and positions of both Earth and Mars, also the speed of the spacecraft. At best, if it is timed just right, it is believed the trip to Mars could be made in 7 months, traveling a distance of 300 million miles. That is a long time for astronauts to be confined in a small spacecraft and being exposed to deadly galactic cosmic radiation. Even if the challenges of meeting design requirements to build a very well shielded spacecraft, it is impossible to shield enough. There will also be a need to carry enough fuel, food, water, and air to survive a round-trip mission and prolonged stay on the red planet. If something goes wrong, help isn't coming anytime soon, if at all. Astronauts will have to be well-trained, equipped, and self-sufficient to overcome whatever challenges and problems they may encounter. This very well could be a one-way trip, and people may die. One of the big challenges, deadly galactic cosmic radiation. This is a big concern with traveling in space beyond the Van Allen belt, leaving the protection of Earth's magnetic field in the closed space around Earth. Outside Earth's magnetic field, galactic cosmic radiation will be very extreme and can make humans very sick. Galactic cosmic radiation, high-energy charged particles including densely ionizing heavy ions that are produced in distant galaxies. They're impossible to stop, penetrating a spacecraft and the bodies of astronauts. Astronauts will be exposed to over 200 times the safe radiation background levels on Earth and over a very long period. Scientists have been looking at artificially induced hibernation as a way to keep astronauts healthy and safe. Scientific studies in animals reveal that synthetic hibernation reduces the tissue damage from radiation. This concept is not new and has been theorized in science fiction stories like 2001: Space Odyssey. Scientists have been experimenting with the idea of artificially putting astronauts into torpor, the state of hibernating animals in winter. During this state, living organisms are known to reduce life-supporting functions and undergo challenges at a molecular level. Body temperatures lower, metabolism is reduced, heart rate slows, oxygen intake is reduced, gene activity and protein biosynthesis slows down. This study in rats, a non-hibernating animal like humans, is showing that the artificially produced hibernation may increase resistance to radiation. Synthetic torpor is a promising tool to enhance radiation protection in living organisms during long-term space missions. Manned missions to Mars may still be a decade or two off. There are also possibilities that we will develop faster spacecraft and shorten the time in space. And then there is the fact that Mars itself does not have the strong magnetic field of Earth giving protection from solar and galactic cosmic radiation. This is another challenge to overcome, but this is a topic for another Science News Update. I hope you enjoyed today's topic and thank you for stopping by. Science News Update has been brought to you by this station and support from listeners like you.